Nathan, are you doing your jumper?
Mama, it's messy down here.
It is.
Yeah, do you want to see the
Are you just kidding me? Don't let him do it on his own, honey.
Mom, don't you see the messy room?
No, I have a feeling it's clean. I think you're fibbing.
No.
Nathan.
Messy. Messy.
Oh boy, it means you guys can't go outside.
Mom, don't you see the messy?
I think you're kidding. Are you kidding?
No, we're not, Mom.
Okay, sure. Nathan, let me see. Nathan, can you bounce?
Down here. It's messy. I'm not kidding.
Big helper, Sarah. Can you bounce, Nathan?
Mama, Mom, don't you see it?
Don't do it too hard.
Messy playroom.
Nathan, look at mommy.
Mom, don't you see the
Nathan, look at mommy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Nathan.
Oh,
You're bouncing. Good boy.